president of the Ghana Football Association, Okraku, has warned cowards who are damaging the local game with betting will be dealt with. This comes after recent issues of match fixing in some Ghana Premier League games. Okraku says the GFA is committed to clean up the sport in Ghana to make it attractive for fans and sponsors.
I will not shy away to say this. Our football has and was attacked by faceless cowards. I'm talking about betting. I'm repeating myself. Our sport has been attacked by faceless cowards. And it is my responsibility, and it's the responsibility of our executive to defend the passion of the nation. Everybody who has played a part, I'm talking about the faceless cowards, will face it. We'll clean our sports and we'll bring confidence to a sport that fits me, that fits all of us here. A sport that gives hope and aspirations to the entire 30 million people and beyond of this country. If you are here and you know that you played a part, just be ready. Don't call me because you didn't call me when you wanted to play the role. Don't call me. And those who are calling must stop. Those who are calling my phone regarding betting must stop. To quote the former president of America, we will chase them out of their hiding places, bring them to justice.